Hello. I'd like to speak to you today about the methodology called Content Language Integrated Learning. This is also known as CLIL. It is very useful in helping students who are English language learners. There are 4 C's in CLIL. The first one is content. Now, content is looking at what I teach versus what they learn. We all have a curriculum, we know that, and we all present this to the students in the best way possible. But are the students learning that curriculum is what you have to ask yourself. So you have to look at differentiation and be able to present the curriculum to students in different ways that's going to cater to their learning styles. The second C in CLIL is cognition. Cognition is a comprehension of the material, understanding thinking skills required, the higher order and lower order thinking skills. Knowing the different learning styles, some students are kinesthetic learners, recognizing that the great classroom model has a variety of stations for the students to be able to understand the concepts that you're presenting to them in a variety of ways. The third C is communication, the language skills needed. Understanding, inquiring, and responding is something that students have to do. So the first thing they have to recognize is the concept that you bring across. Do they understand it? Again, are they learning? You inquire of them to make sure that they are learning, and they should respond appropriately. But the students can do that between themselves. So sometimes group learning is very beneficial for the students in helping them cement the actual aim that you have presented to them in class. Also consider your vocabulary that you're using. Students should really have what's called front-loading of vocabulary. That means it should be given to them before the lesson to make sure that they are functional and they can recognize the grammatical context upon which the vocabulary is used. Culture. Familiar habits and the environment is something that each school has. We all know what the expectations are in your own school. Again, that culture has to come into learning. So be sensitive and seek the multicultural balance that's necessary in teaching students a different curriculum from a different country. And try to contrast that with your own. And recognize that by using the 4 C's, you'll help the students learn a lot more quickly and to retain what they've actually learned.